The Bernina Creative Consultant has been on computerized machines for years, and on the Bernina 790, you'll find the Bernina Creative Consultant where the picture of the dress form is. Let's go explore what this has. First off, we're going to pick which fabric you're going to be working with. You're going to tell the machine what you're sewing. Now, some of these symbols don't make sense, so touch the question mark and then touch one of the boxes, and it will tell you. For example, this one is for using on toweling fabric. X out of that to come back, and you can find what you're looking for. We've got some woven fabrics, some denim, some knit fabrics, some really thick knit fabrics. How about let's do that? Let's pick something very stretchy. Next screen, it asks me, what am I going to be sewing on that fabric? This will be a seam, an overcast, a blind hem, obviously buttonhole, zipper, decorative stitches, or I think this one is applique. I'm going to just touch that to double check. Yes. So on that particular fabric, things are going to change based on the technique I pick. How about for fun, let's pick a buttonhole. There's lots of different buttonholes in this machine, so it's going to pick the best one for that fabric. It's telling me it's going to pick stitch number 53, what needle, thread, foot we'll be using, but I usually just go ahead and, oh, and by the way, stabilizer, a corded buttonhole is going to come up. Let's touch the check mark, because what it actually does is it goes to the stitch that it recommends. It turns things yellow, tells it which foot to put on. The pressure has changed. That's brilliant. I wouldn't have thought about changing the pressure for working on some stretchy fabric. I honestly probably would have forgot. But let's check what else is yellow in here. It has adjusted the opening to be a 1 millimeter extra than normal, and it's done it all for me. So isn't that neat? Let's go ahead. We'll go back to the Creative Consultant. We can even back up. What if we picked a really lightweight fabric? Let's follow that same concept with the buttonholes. Choose it and watch. It picks a totally different buttonhole and adjusts the stitch length a little bit for that particular foot. So it's for that particular fabric. It is amazing. So how about this? Let's just pick with that finer fabric. We do have some more options with this, with some quilting, some stippling, but what about a zipper? This is one that always is amazing because it even moves the needle position over for me. It adjusts the tension, it adjusts the pressure, and it knows that I should be putting foot number 4 on. That's a foot that comes with this machine. So I highly recommend, especially when you're using fabric you're not familiar with, is start with the Creative Consultant. Find the fabric closest to what you're working on, and then tell it what you will be doing, and then it will do the rest of the work for you.